welcome back to the Soft Life Collective, the channel for women who are looking to connect with their feminine energy, prioritize self-care, and create a life that's aligned with their true selves. I believe that every woman has the power to live a fulfilling and joyful life, and I'm here to help you do just that. Together, we'll discuss and explore things like self-care, mindfulness, beauty tips, confidence building, and what it truly means to be and live soft as we embrace a purposeful, intentional, and radiant life. The Soft Life Collective is where you're cherished and supported every step of the way. So cozy on up, grab your tea and snacks, and let's get into today's topic. Today's video is for all the beautiful ladies seeking ways to boost their confidence, conquer self-doubt, and unleash their inner queen. If you're ready to embrace your worth and radiate self-assurance, hit that subscribe button, grab your favorite cup of tea, and let's deep dive into this empowering journey together. First things first, queens, I want you to know that you are uniquely amazing. Embrace all that makes you special, quirks and all. Confidence begins with acknowledging and loving the incredible person that you are. There's no one else like you, and that's your superpower. Think about the things that set you apart, the talents and passions that make your heart sing. Cherish these qualities and let them be your guiding light to embracing your authentic self. Embrace every curve, every freckle, and every imperfection, because they're part of the beautiful mosaic that makes you who you are. Now, let's talk about affirmations, your secret weapon on this journey. Every single day, speak uplifting words to yourself, such as, I am capable, I am worthy, and I believe in myself. Affirmations have the power to transform your mindset and replace self-doubt with empowering beliefs. Repeat these affirmations while you look in the mirror. Embrace your reflection staring back at you with love and gratitude. Remind yourself daily of your unique qualities, the strength you possess, and the beauty of your soul. You'll be amazed at how this practice shapes your self-perception and boosts your confidence. Next, take a moment to celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Each accomplishment, every milestone, and even the tiniest steps forward are the testament to your growth. Celebrate yourself and let your successes be a source of inspiration and motivation. Take a journal and jot down all the achievements you've accomplished so far, whether it's acing a test, overcoming a fear, or landing that dream job. Celebrate each victory. Recognizing your accomplishments reinforces your abilities and serves as a reminder that you are more capable than you might give yourself credit for. Now, let's talk about that inner dialogue, the chatter that shapes your beliefs about yourself. When self-doubt and negative self-talk creep in, take a deep breath and pause. Replace those negative thoughts with positive ones. Challenge your limiting beliefs with affirmations and counter-arguments. Remind yourself of past successes and affirm that you are fully capable of overcoming challenges. It's easy for us to convince ourselves of why we can't do something, but every time you have a thought about why you can't, or something that's negative about your looks or personality or even your abilities, try to counter that with the thought about how you can or why you can. Gradually, you'll rewire your self-talk and create a supportive, empowering inner voice. Growth happens beyond your comfort zone, queens. It's time to embrace new experiences, challenge yourself, and face your fears. Take that step you've been hesitating to take. Whether it's signing up for a class, pursuing a new hobby, or asking for that promotion, pushing past your comfort zone builds resilience and confidence. Each time you step outside that zone, You're expanding the horizons of what you believe you can achieve. It's natural to feel nervous or apprehensive when trying something new, but remember, you are not alone. Reach out to friends, family, or mentors who can provide support and encouragement during these moments of growth. Surround yourself with positive influences who believe in you just as much as you should believe in yourself. If you made it this far, leave me a pink heart down in the comments and let me know some ways that you boost your confidence or things you do to overcome your self-doubt. As you embark on these adventures, don't be afraid to embrace failure as a stepping stone to success. Each setback is an opportunity to learn, grow, and refine your path. Be kind to yourself during these times, and remember that mistakes do not define you. They are valuable lessons that propel you forward. Now, it's time to step into your power and embrace your inner queen. You possess a unique blend of strength, grace, and resilience that radiates from within. Embracing your worth and having confidence in yourself will attract the right people and opportunities into your life. Remember, being a confident queen isn't about being perfect. It's about owning who you are and embracing your imperfections. Allow yourself to shine brightly, unapologetically, and authentically. Your light will inspire others to do the same. So there you have it, Radiant Souls. Boosting your confidence and overcoming self-doubt as a highly feminine woman is an ongoing journey of self-love, self-discovery, and empowerment. Each step you take towards embracing your inner queen is a testament to your strength and resilience. If this video resonated with you, show some love with a thumbs up and share it with other beautiful souls who may need a confidence boost. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and join the Soft Life community, as well as the notification bell so you can know every time a new video drops. There's also links in the description to Soft Life e-guides. Remember, you are capable of achieving greatness and your worth extends beyond measure. Keep shining, believing in yourself, and embracing your inner soft queen. Until next time, stay blessed, fabulous, and living a soft life that's true to yourself. And I'll talk to you next time on the Soft Life Collective.